Welcome to my 12 Days of Christmas playlist. Simple woodwork projects made out of scrap wood and offcuts, aimed at beginners with my usual standard of that'll do. Okay, day one. Let's start simple with holly and birch. That's not their names, that's what we're aiming for.
Stick.
Now it'll help if you can teach your dog to fetch a stick. Start by using his favourite toys.
No, go find me some silver birch stick. Stick hand.
Move on to the sticks that you like.
Stick.
Getting bigger and bigger as they go.
Until you get.
Lay them out on a table in an arty-farty style that YouTube loves. Trim off the excess. Cut to length on a mitre saw. Measure out. I like 6 pieces. Cut into 6 pieces. Now the reason we do this is 1, 3 and 5 won't perfectly match. 2, 4 and 6 don't either. And that's exactly what you want. I like to lay them out on a table in number order, like this. Now, told you 2, 4 and 6 won't match. That's what you're looking for. 3 holes, top and the 2 sides. You'll see why in a moment. All of this is done with a countersink drill bit in the impact drill. This is the fun bit coming up now, doing them out. And that'll do, really. That is the standard of this channel. That'll do. Careful. Lovely. Right, cut some holly. These are for the arms and for the hairpiece. Yep, that's what I'm going to call it. Don't be offended. Now you could leave it like that, but I like to add dowels because it's in my New Year's resolutions to be just a little bit better on each project. I'm still a backstreet garden shed weekend warrior hobbyist woodworker type person, but you have to have some standards, don't you? I want to be better, and this is the start of that journey. Now, of course, you could add glue and screws to this project, but this is going to a natural grave site where everything has to be 100% natural. And lift it up and down to make sure it's nice and secure. And we are done. Met to a standard of that'll do. We are finished. Of course, we'll go again with pieces 1, 3 and 5, and we'll do it over and over again. I thought I'd show you making the face again because it is quite fun, especially this bit. Where I make the mouth. I do quite like that. I did try it with a multi-tool, not as enjoyable as doing it with a drill bit. This time we're going to add pine leaves. Is that what they're called? Pine leaves? Pine straw? Anyway, we'll do it with these pine things, and then we'll do 2 more with fern leaves and oak tree leaves. And there we are. This is the band that we call the Crickets. Why? Because tomorrow Buddy Holly flies in to join them. Why don't you join us tomorrow? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click on like. If you didn't, or you think you can tell me how to improve, please comment below. Now I've lined up another video that I think you might like, but if you want to see more of my videos, why not subscribe? And if you change the bell notification, you'll be amongst the first to see my new stuff as it comes along. If not, hope you enjoyed. See you again. Lovely. Bye.